Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2016 Module 5 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Setup and data preparation. Open the provided Excel file and save it with a new name. Ensure your name is displayed on the documentation sheet. Step 2. Prescription worksheet. Unfreeze the top row. Sort the table by the material and shape fields in ascending order. Insert a total row to sum the 2018 and 2019 sales. Step 3. Pivot table creation. Create a pivot table in a new worksheet named Prescription PT. Add the material and product code fields to rows. Add 2018, 2019, and 2020 fields to values, and format them as accounting with no decimal places. Step 4. Sunglass worksheet. Format the data range as a table named Sunglass Sales using table style medium 26. Add a new sales record for SGPP 125. Step 5. Reading worksheet. Sort by material, convert the table to a normal range, and insert subtotals for each change in material. Include subtotals for 2018, 2019, and 2020 sales. Step 6. Computer worksheet. Remove the duplicate record for COPS 151. Step 7. All products worksheet. Freeze the top two rows and update the 2019 sales for RDPP $138 to $1,850. Filter for products made of titanium with a rectangular shape. Step 8. Pivot table and slicer. Refresh the pivot table and apply pivot style medium 26. Add shape as a filter and use a slicer for the material field, filtering for plastic products. Step 9. Pivot chart creation. Insert a clustered column pivot chart in product material PT. Add the title sales by frames, resize it, and filter for prescription and reading glasses. Save the workbook, close Excel, and submit the project. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.